Going up.
So nice. There's a bank of escalators that doesn't actually go to the bottom. This is a very weird parking structure. I think this was gonna be an elevator, but they probably didn't have the money to install one because they installed a bank of two here. That's the top of a shaft for an elevator that doesn't come to the top. And over there's another elevator. These are the only ones I'm gonna film today though. I want to get a different car. We can switch on ground actually. But yeah, the elevator that doesn't come to the top is actually broken right now, so there's no mezzanine access on this side for handicap. Which seems like a bit of a fail. Where's the other one? The cabs look like they're supposed to be glass, but not. Oh, this one's kind of worn out. Glider. Very mediocre. I don't know if I'm gonna touch that. Caveat. Basic parking style elevator.